Hello everyone, today I will show you how to compute in MS Excel. So go to MS Excel. To compute in MS Excel, type the equal sign first and type your number sentence. After that, hit enter. Another way is to type the numbers in different cells. Then press the equal sign again. And click the first cell. Then type your symbol. Press enter and you are done. Goodbye.